Hey guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So I have two products here that I want to show you. These are the products that I use to take off my makeup. First one is called Bioderma. I use this one to take off my eye makeup. Sometimes I use it to take off all of my makeup. But today I'm going to focus this product on my eyes. And then I'm going to go in and use the cleansing oil to take everything else off. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So as you can see, it really does a nice job of getting like tough makeup off, waterproof makeup. This is why I really love micellar water. You know what, I'm gonna just use some more, and I'm gonna take off the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna go in and do the deep oil cleanse next. So here's my skin with just the micellar water. Did a really nice job. Then I'm gonna go in with the deep cleansing oil. I like to take about 2 pumps. Alright, so I'm going to wash my face and I'm going to come right back. Alright, and this is my skin after the oil cleanse. So I'm going to follow it up with my Retin-A cream. And then I'm going to use a moisturizer. So with the Retin-A cream, you just need a small amount. Moisturizer. And that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.